We're going to dance on the railroad with Lisa Gru, Scarlet Gru and AAF.
That's right, Andrew Gru.
Sounds good to me, Andrew Gru and Lisa Gru.
Great idea, Andrew Gru, Lisa Gru and Scarlet Gru. Now let's dance on the railroad.
Hey, let's kick it, stop, just lick it, let's just start it, cause it's so easy, you like it my way, and I know it, so let's do it real good, huh, it's sweaty, now I'm ready, just take it off, cause you tease me, I like it that way, and you know it, so let's do it real good. This song is not for you lovers. Ooh, don't stop pushing now, and I'ma give it all to you. Don't stop now, and try to give it all up. Hey, let's kick it, stop, just lick it, let's just start it, cause it's so easy. You like it my way, and I know it, so let's do it real good. Huh, it's sweaty, now I'm ready, just take it off, cause you tease me. This song is not for you lovers. Ooh, don't stop pushing now, and I'ma give it all to you. Don't stop now, and try to give it all up. Don't stop pushing now, and I'ma give it all to you. Don't stop now, and try to give it all up. Don't stop pushing now, and I'ma give it all to you. Don't stop pushing now, and I'ma give it all to you. Don't stop now, and try to give it all up. Don't stop pushing now, get down and do what you've been told. Don't stop now, and try to give it all up. Don't stop pushing now, don't stop pushing now. Don't stop pushing now, don't stop pushing now. Don't stop pushing now, and I'ma give it all to you. Don't stop now, and try to give it all up. Don't stop pushing now, get down and do what you've been told. Don't stop now, and try to give it all up.
Andrew Gru, Lisa Gru, Scarlet Gru and AAF. 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 Get over here right now.
Andrew Gru, Lisa Gru, Scarlet Gru and AAF. Get over here right now.
Oh no. It's THX and Tex.
We are so busted.
And we are so busted.
And we're so busted too.
Andrew Gru, Lisa Gru, Scarlet Gru and AAF. How dare you dance on the railroad? You know you can get run over by train and get hurt by doing that. That's it. You're both are grounded until Winx Club. The Magic is Back Part 2 comes out in September 2026 by Netflix.
Go to your rooms right now.
Bye.